guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with the mystery kit for the month of April. Very excited about this one, so let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, I do have Color and Glitter Club. So this month is called Andrea, which is my name. I picked colors every month, but I wanted to pick something that, like, color-wise, I was like, I really use these colors a lot. I think that they're very versatile, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this. This is the first video where you're gonna see my short nails. It feels so weird. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of questions. They're white nail polish with a unicorn chrome powder over top of them. So let's go ahead and get into this. This did ship. I sent out shipping notifications yesterday, and I think they were dropped off yesterday morning. And also all the Harry Potter TNs have been dropped off as well. Those were dropped off the day before, I believe. So first things first, you do get your mini icons, which is a new addition. I think starting in February we started doing this, and these are super cute. Then you have your little things page, your icons page, your ombre hair checklist, and I love these colors. I love the pink, the nude, coralish, peachy color, and then also an orange, which is really fun. I feel like we don't do a lot of oranges outside of fall. Headers, flags, skinny appointment labels, regular appointment labels, habit trackers. I'm actually going to be using a color club this week. I'm actually also going to be using a kit that's not going to be releasing until next Friday, which is kind of fun. Then this page has labels, and then your weekend banners and your heart checklist, and then on this page you have your half boxes and then your quarter boxes. So that is the Color Club. So this is $25 a month plus shipping, and it is available only to subscribers. And I do get a lot of questions, like, after this video about how people can subscribe for this month, and this month is already closed. So whenever I do a mystery, you only see the mystery afterwards, and then you can no longer get it except for the items that come into the shop, which I'll show you guys later. So for the Glitter Club, which I'm actually going to be changing the glitter to our fine glitter just because that's what we're using now in shop starting in June. So May will still be this kind of glitter, and then June is going to be the new glitter, which is so pretty. I feel like it's a lot easier to see a lot of things on. It's super cute. You have your full boxes, your habit trackers, appointment labels and flags, your weekly checklists, which I thought about actually changing the weekly checklist page to be weekly checklist and then doing something else here, like doing one of each, just because I don't know if you need like 8 of those, but something I'm just thinking about. And then you have your glitter headers. So that is the Glitter Club, and again, these are exclusive for subscribers, and once you guys see this, you can no longer get it if you are not subscribed. So that is the Andrea Glitter Club. Then we'll move on to the actual mystery kit. So this is the ultimate kit. We'll go into the mini kit afterwards. So this month I wanted to do kind of like a modern tangled theme just for like spring, summer, which I think is super cute. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I'll go ahead and show you all of the extras first. Maybe I'll show you the extras last. Yeah, let's show you the extras last. Okay. So this is the ultimate kit. If you purchase the ultimate kit in shop, you do get this. If you're confused about which kit is which, as far as mysteries go in the shop, you can just click it and then click the next image and it shows you what kit it is. So first you have your freebie here with your munchkins from Once More With Love and a bunch of other functional items. On here you have your deco, your hidden flags, your icons, your little scribblers down there, and more functional items. Super cute. This was drawn by Jessica J. Crew Plans. Then you have your ombre hair checklist with little glitter splatters in the corners. I'll save the full boxes to last, even though you can see them now. You have your pattern washi, and then your headers. Really fun colors. I think this is very like nice transition from spring to summer because you have like the pastels. But I feel like this purple and then especially the yellow can read a little bit summery. I love the yellow. It's really fun. You have your labels, solid washi, and little things, your half boxes, quarter boxes, and more functional items. And then you also have your functional page here with your weekend banner and your ombre hair checklist, flags, things like that. Then you have your bottom washi, which is supposed to be kind of like hair with like flowers in it. You have your date covers, you have your extra full box here, and then you have your full boxes, which are just so dang pretty. You have like little purple sparkly Converse. You have a castle, which is really cool, which is, I wanted to kind of like, whenever I was like putting it all together, wanted to like bring in some of the like sketches that Jessica did. So I thought that was really neat. And then you have Go Live Your Dreams, which is a quote from Tangled. And then you have a bunch of different accessories, some Polaroids with different things, the girl in there. And then you kind of have like the little like boat scene. But I wanted to keep it very like simple. So really, really cute. I love this collection. I think it's so fun. And I think it's just like overall just a really pretty kit. Even if you don't like love Tangled, I feel like it's still just a cute like fashion girl kit. So super, super cute. If you are subscribed to the Ultimate Kit, you do get a journaling card. I've got a lot of questions about the journaling card. They're like, people are like, I'd rather have something else, but this is like a freebie. Like, we just added this. This didn't replace like stickers or anything. So this will still be always like a journaling card just because it didn't replace a sticker sheet. It's just an extra. So this one says, I'm where I'm meant to be. And it just has some like stars and paint strokes in the background. Really simple. Then you also get the glitter sampler, which has the more fine glitter. This isn't the glitter we normally use. I just wanted to use something a little bit different. You also get these nail polish bottles, which we haven't done in a couple of months, but these are always requested to come back. So you have 4 different color skin tones and then 5 different color glitter nail polishes, which are really cute. Then we also have this cute little die cut sticker, and this is of a camera and it says SPC on it, which I think is really cute. So you can use this as a die cut. You can also use it as a sticker. I put them on my laptop. The material that is used for them is rated for like dishwashers and cars, which I think is cool. I personally haven't used it on either of those, but that's what it's rated for. And then also a sticky note, which is just the purple with the glitter outline with the castle on the side. Wanted to keep it pretty simple, but this is super, super cute. So that's everything you get if you are subscribed. If you purchase the Ultimate Kitten shop, you do get this, but these items all do come to the shop and are available as a la carte. Whenever you subscribe, it is $30 for everything, but whenever you buy them in shop, it's like $29.95 plus if you wanted to pick up these. They're all individual items. So that is the Ultimate Kit. I'm really, really excited to use it. Then I'll show you guys the mini kit. The mini kit does not come to the shop. It is only available for subscribers, so you can no longer get this if you are not subscribed. The mini kit has 2 extras. It used to only come with just the glitter headers, but we decided to throw in the journaling card because why not? It didn't, again, replace anything. It was just an added extra. So you do get the freebie. It's the same format as the mini kit in shop. You do get your full boxes. You get your functional sheet. This is one of the mini kit exclusive sheets. So you have some headers, little things, half boxes, quarter boxes, and skinny appointment labels. And then in here you do get your bottom washi, the little habit trackers. Again, really like this yellow. You have your pattern and solid washi, and then you have a small selection of deco there. So that is everything for this month's mystery kit. I have all the mystery kits done up till I think, I tried to like finish up June. I think I have a couple of things. I was pretty much finished, but I changed a bunch of things because we are doing a big reformat. Or no, wait, do I have June done? I think I have June, no, yeah, and then July is going to be the mystery that is changed, I think. May, June, yeah, July will be the mystery that changes because we're actually, our June's already printed, so it's going to be in the old format. But I'm so excited for that, and you guys will see that. The new format in due time, even though I know none of you guys will cancel based on the new format. You might actually subscribe based on the new format, which is really, really exciting. So super excited about that. I hope you guys like this month's mystery. Again, I just wanted to do something that kind of transitioned you in from spring to summer, even though we're pretty much just going into spring, and just wanted to do something really cute. The next couple of months are like really anytime kits, I think. May, June, July are anytime kits. I don't have August yet, but so if that's something that you like, anytime kits, definitely subscribe. I do have subscriptions open. I put a calendar on my Instagram, which I'll go ahead and show you guys. I usually try and put it up on the 29th or the 28th of the month previous. So I do have a calendar up. This is April's calendar. So the new subscriptions, which will be for May's mystery, which is the next one, will be open on the 10th at noon Eastern, and they stay open until the spots fill up, or which is usually around like 24-ish hours. It kind of depends. So I hope you like this month's mystery kit, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!